I once had a buddy named Kyle, who thought he was living large because he converted his garage into a man cave with a futon and a mini fridge. Then I showed him the 1974 Ford C-750 Camelot Cruiser's motorhome, and Kyle's man cave suddenly looked like a sad storage unit. Before I take you on this rolling retro mansion tour, go ahead and subscribe. Smash that button like you're leaning on a CB radio in 1974, asking where the party's at. Now, this beast is a fusion of a Ford C-750 truck and a 44-foot, 13.4-meter Gerstenslager trailer, lovingly transformed into a rolling palace by Edler & Company. It runs on a 391 cubic inch, 6.4-liter V8 and shifts through an Allison AT545 4-speed automatic. With 4.10-to-1 gearing and twin 80-gallon, 303-liter tanks, one with a pump to transfer to the other, it's basically the long-haul trucker's dream that overshot and ended up with 2 bedrooms and a faux masonry wall. The outside is dipped in two-tone blue, and I think it looks like what you'd get if a vintage diner had a baby with a tour bus. There are rooftop racks, air horns that could scare migrating geese, and sliding cargo bay doors that have a bit of rust. But hey, don't we all? Inside the cab, it's classic vinyl and rubber, with a CB radio, AM radio, a glove box, and a sleeper coffin behind the bench seat. I believe the only thing missing is a shag carpet and a disco ball. The trailer has wood grain floors, yellow tufted dinette cushions that scream groovy, panoramic windows, and enough storage to lose your in-laws in. The galley includes a Norcold fridge freezer, a double basin porcelain sink, and a 4-burner gas cooktop. The electrical system's been updated to 50 amp, and the insulation? Spray foamed like it was preparing for an Arctic expedition. There's a rear bedroom with blue carpeted walls and sliding windows, plus a central bedroom with a double bed and a vanity. I like the most that you could walk through it all like a mini Las Vegas suite on wheels. The bathroom has dual sinks, a mirror, a shower, and a toilet. The EcoTemp water heater is installed, but reportedly inoperative, just like my neighbor's New Year's resolutions. Total mileage? 23,000 miles, 37,000 kilometers, with about 4,000 miles added under current ownership. Price? That depends on the deal, but examples like this could pull in well over $60,000, around 56,000 euros, especially restored.